Okay, let's take a look at the index function from Excel. The index function returns a value at a specific columns and row within the range. For you to get Berlin, you need to use index A1 to A4, comma 3, comma 2, which is column 3. Row 3, column 2, right? Because this is in the third row and the second column. So to get Berlin, this is the index function you need to get from this set of data. Okay, what would index A1 to D2 to 4 returns? So A1 to D2 is here, right? And then 2, row 2, column 4, Austin. You can also use index on a single row or a single column. What does index A to A4 get you? So just from A to A, and then the fourth row down, which is Arkansas. Write an index function using the range A to B to get Mike's age. Okay, so first of all, equal index, right? Open parenthesis. You go from A to B, right? And Mike is on the second row, and his age is on the second column. I use index with range B to B to get Jacob. So for here, equal index B to B, comma, and then Jacob is the fourth one down because we only need to get the row, so we don't need to worry about the column in this particular table. What would index A to A6 return? This one's A to A6 is gonna be Baton Road, BATON ROUGE. What does index A1 to E1 1 to 3 returns? This one's gonna be A1A 1 to E1 all the way here, but we're only looking for the third one, so it's still gonna be SAT by A. And that's it for the index function. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe so that the video can be suggested to more viewers like you. Thank you, and see you next time.